everyone, welcome back. I have my Amazon favorites and this is just another Amazon favorite video. I love these. I love talking about random things I find. This should not be a repeat from any of the products that I've showed before. So if you like Amazon favorites videos, I've done several of them before and I still hold true to all of the things that I've mentioned in those videos. So since we've been home for months and months and months, of course, Amazon is everyone's favorite. So these are the last things I've bought in the last couple of months from Amazon, and these are the things that I love that I've purchased from there and I would highly recommend to you guys. First thing was when I was looking for a carpet cleaner, I did some investigation and I found a lot of people recommended this. This is the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. I love this. It just really works. If you're looking for something, it's honestly instant. I've tried a ton of different carpet removers and this one has by far been the best at removing things without having to use like a lot of scrub and pressure. It says pet accidents, grease, ink, red wine, coffee, blood, rust, food, cosmetics, dirt, grime, most old stains, excellent for upholstery. Honestly, if you are someone who's looking for a great carpet cleaner or upholstery cleaner, this is just like one of those all-in-one products. Loved it. And like I said, I got a 3-pack on Amazon. And it was relatively inexpensive. Okay, sticking with sort of like cleaning supplies or something very similar. So I had bought this originally for my mother-in-law several years. She was talking for Christmas, she was talking about, oh my gosh, so one of my friends had used this glamorous wash from Tyler Candle Company, which I love their candles. But this is the fine laundry detergent and it's in the scent Diva. I think they have a scent in high maintenance too in the laundry detergent. Now, she had been talking about it and she was like, I just want to wash my linens in it. And then finally I was like, you know what? I'm going to get some for myself just to wash our towels and linens in. And so anyways, I washed a first set of clothes and I accidentally washed my husband's laundry in this. And he was like, oh, it smells so good. What is that? So I'm like, don't get used to it because it's only going to be for like our sheets and our towels. But this, it smells so good. This size is the 907 grams and this one, you only need a little bit to wash and this one was $25. So it is pricey, but I feel like if you're just using it for like linens and stuff, it will be like worth the purchase. At least to me it is because it smells so good. Okay, another thing that I wanted to talk about, now this is a Powerhouse Pumice. So it's just like a pumice stone. It comes in a container and it's just like a really good scrubbing pumice stone. This is to clean the toilets because it removes calcium, lime, rust, iron, mildew, hard water stains. So I'm not going to show it because it looks nasty, but you just get in your toilet and go scrubbing around if you have like a rim around or at the top of your toilet, you know, if you have like a little rust rim or a nasty grimy little mildew rim. I know it's gross, but it's grosser to have it than it is to talk about it. But anyways, I wanted to find something that would clean around that nasty little rim around the toilets that just seems so difficult for me to get clean with any regular toilet bowl cleaner. So this is a pumice that scrubs it. It was like $9 and you know, it goes down and down and down, like, you know, it gets smaller and smaller as you're scrubbing. I probably use this 3 or 4 times and I've only used like this much of it. So I would say you can probably get like 10 to 12 cleanings, like deep cleanings, which you only would need to do maybe once a month using this. Okay, who of you doesn't buy a pineapple because it's so annoying to core? I have a piece of wild hair somewhere on my face. It's driving me nuts. Me, because I, for years, did not buy a pineapple because it was so difficult to core. And then I was like, I'm going to get a pineapple core. So my friend Mary was like, oh, I found one at Aldi. And I went to Aldi and I couldn't find the one that she was talking about. So I just went online and I bought this one. And basically you just put it in your pineapple, you twist. All you do is cut off the top of the pineapple. You literally stick it in and you twist it around and it goes in, it twists all the way down to the bottom. You pull it out and you have a perfectly cored pineapple, the center core, and it cuts it into little slices for you. So this makes it super simple. It takes like 2 seconds, basically cut boom, put it in, pull it up, and it has the sliced rings for you. So it does all the work, and I'm like, thank you, sign me up. I even sent one of these to my dad because he loves pineapple, and I just thought he would enjoy this, and he was like, did you send me a pineapple core? And I'm like, I did, Dad, I did. Sometimes we'll send my dad like the most random things. We'll just put his name on packages and send it to like Amazon it to his house. And it's like, he should know obviously that it comes from us, but he's just like gets it and uses it for like a week, and then he'll be like, oh yeah, did you send me the Aleve gel caps? And we're like, yeah, Dad, we did. Because my dad was buying off-brand Aleve. I'm like, Dad, like, what's the deal? Like, you have plenty of money, like go buy some regular Aleve. But he was like, oh, I'm just gonna use up this off-brand Aleve. And so my husband like Amazon him some like real Aleve. He's like, listen, Dave, he has cancer. So I'm like, you obviously need real Aleve. So anyway, he has some real Aleve. Okay. So I, for years, have loved grapefruits. And my friend Dana was like, oh, do you have a grapefruit spoon? And I'm like, no, I didn't even know that those existed, because I just, for years, cut around the edge, like my dad always taught me, like cut around the edge, and then just did, you know, cut with the knife, and then just use a regular spoon and dig it out. Well, apparently there is a grapefruit spoon, so I got these on Amazon, and they're like fun little holographic ones, and they're like blades almost, like on the side are like ribbed edges, and so all you have to do is you don't have to cut around, you just dig it in and dig it out, and it does the work for you of like cutting the slice. I mean, who knew? Makes it so easy. And so I just ordered a 4-pack of these for eating grapefruit. Okay, so recently our power went out, like our whole neighborhood's power went out. I don't know if it was a heat thing, we don't know what it was, but Dana was visiting my house and the power was out for several hours, and I'm like, I had one battery operated fan, but it like did a USB to charge. Well, I only had a portable charger, so I was so annoyed. So I'm like, I have to find a fan that has like a portable charger, or like it has a USB cord, but also has a battery pack that like, if in emergencies, I could just change the batteries. So I found this one, and oh my gosh, it just, I love this fan. Like, you turn the little battery thing, it's fully charged. I've used this so many times, and it still has a fully charged battery. So I'm like, this is great. And look, just a really nice. If you live in Texas or any hot climate, you know, you need a fan. Sometimes I'll just sit outside on my driveway with the neighbors. I'm gonna pull my fan out. It's a nice little portable fan, and so I Amazoned it, and I was like, this will be here by Wednesday. Hopefully our power's back on in a few hours, but if not, I'm gonna be prepared for the next time. Okay, for my, like, I love these proteins, and for one of my go-to coffees is I do 2 shots of espresso, and I pour in this from Premier Protein, but this is the cafe latte one, and I love this one so much. And these are only 2 points on Weight Watchers, and so I will save like my old Starbucks cups, and I'll just put in ice, and then this, and then I put 2 shots of espresso. I have an espresso maker, and I just put 2 shots of an espresso over this, and it is like an excellent Starbucks little drink. It's just an excellent little coffee drink. It's only 2 points. Before, when I didn't have an espresso maker, I would just go to Starbucks. I would say, hi, can I have 2 shots of espresso over ice with 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dulce syrup, and then I would just have one of these in my car and pour it over the top. It makes a A+ drink. So these, you can only find this flavor, like they don't sell it at Sam's Club, which is normally where I get the majority of my Premier Proteins, but they only sell these, this cafe latte flavor that I've been able to find in more than just a 6-pack on Amazon. So I ordered the 12-pack on Amazon, and I just keep these in the fridge, use them for my iced coffee. Okay, I was looking for a really great pre-workout, and I just loved all the stuff that I heard about this Alani Nu brand. So I originally ordered it from Amazon, and I mean, Alani Nu sells off of Amazon, so it's, you know, supplied by Alani Nu. So I tried the rainbow candy, and oh my goodness, you guys, this tastes like you're drinking Skittles. I've never had a pre-workout before that I've liked. They all taste disgusting to me. This is the only one that I'm like, yes, this is so good and tastes honestly like you're drinking Skittles. It doesn't give me the jitters, but it does give you a hot, almost like tingly feeling. So, and I've just found I just really like it for energy and pump during my workouts. Okay, this is something I also heard of from my friend Mary. She was talking, it's from the Tooletries, and if you don't have counter space or even just in your shower, I got these little silicone mats, and so you can just hang your razor right here. It has a little pocket to like maybe you wearing your jewelry or something and you want to put something right there, or just putting like any little thing that you want to carry, like a little, I have like a little shaving cream balm that fits right in here, or just any like little razors or extra razor heads. So I just hang my razor right here and it just sticks on the wall of your shower. It's like a silicone mat. So I love this. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I have the, I believe it's the charcoal color. Perfect for bathrooms or for your kids if you want to put toothpaste, toothbrushes in there and stick it to the mirror. Say you don't have a lot of counter space, that would work perfectly. Okay, I have been wearing the same watch band for forever on my watch. Decided to change. This is like a gold metallic one. My friend Meredith recommended these to me from Amazon, obviously. It came with this one in gold. It's like a gold metallic, almost like rubber silicone type material, and then it has like a silver one and a rose gold one. So I'm excited. I needed like a little change up because like I said, I've just been wearing a black band for a long time. I mean, so far I really liked it. Okay, I talked about these in a recent favorites video, but I got this clip off of Amazon from Kitsch, whatnot. I just think it's like such a cute little clip, like obviously not just like this, but like tying all my hair up and like in like a little low bun and just having this clipped in. Or, you know, it's a nice like fun play off of the old 90s trend of wearing these clips. So I just bought a bunch just to pull my hair back even when I'm doing my makeup, or even like cute just to decorate my hair and wear it. So I love that. Okay, and the last two things are workout clothes. I really wanted like a really cute red top, so I ordered this one, and it's in a size medium, but I ordered this one, and I wore this on, actually I wore this color top with like cute shorts on, what was it, 4th of July, and everyone was like, where'd you get your thing? It's just like a little workout top. So I love it because it's like open in the back, so if you're wearing like it goes down really low in the back, so if you're wearing like a sports bra, like a really fun crissy-cross one, which I have a ton that I've gotten recently from Buff Bunny, then it just fits really well. So I really like this, and again, I'm wearing a size medium. I think it's very true to size. And then the last thing is I really wanted some cute workout shorts. So these are like really nice. I wouldn't say they're like full compression, but they're really cute, like shorter shorts. Now I wouldn't use these for walking, but they are like athletic. Now like I said, when I'm walking, my shorts tend to ride up a ton. So definitely if you're planning on doing a whole lot of walking, I would get a longer pair of shorts. But I really do like these because the back of them, so when you're wearing them, the back like has this crisscross part right here. So it kind of like goes up your back and like crisscrosses. So it's really cute. And so this back part kind of goes down a little bit. I don't know. It's cute if you're wearing like a cute top that's almost like shows a little bit in the back, like at the pant line. I got these in a large, and they are 84% nylon, 16 polyurethane, and anyways, I really like them. They're super cute shorts. I do have a few other pairs of shorts that I did order from Amazon that are longer, and I do like those as well. One had pockets, so I will leave those linked as well if you're looking for something that has pockets on the side and a little bit longer that I would wear on walks, and I do wear on walks. So more of like a bike short. But I do like those for just kind of like even lounging around or just wearing around. But yeah, right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any favorites, leave them down below. If you love these videos, like I said, please check my other videos that I have done, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah.